Alright guys, let's do another quick update for Bitcoin. We are looking at the daily chart and the data I have is to 5:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on January the 25th. Well, talk about a roller coaster rise. That's exactly what we got from Bitcoin yesterday. Early in the morning, it dropped all the way down to about below 33,000. And then when the stock market started to reverse, we saw Bitcoin follow and then buyers step in. See this huge increase in volume. Within a matter of couple of hours, the price went from less than 33,000, ran up all the way to 38,000. We're talking about over 18% gain. That was really impressive because that prevented the price from breaking down. So far today, Bitcoin is pretty much traded sideways. Right now, it's down roughly about little over 0.5%, trading at 36,300. I believe that Bitcoin is just in this, what I call as a holding mode, waiting to see how the stock market would do once the market is open at 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Right now, as of 5:47 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, according to Yahoo Finance, the futures are definitely not looking good. Dow futures is currently down by 340 points, or almost 1%. Nasdaq futures is down 348 points, or about 2.4%. So it is looking very ugly right now. But hopefully, once the market opens, we could potentially see another reversal, like what happened to the stock market yesterday, when at one point it was down over 1,000 points and ended up closed the day up almost 100 points. Let's look at Bitcoin on this 1-hour chart. Right now, even though the Dow futures are trending down, but Bitcoin seems to be stabilizing and we're still seeing buying support. So that is a very good sign compared to yesterday. Yesterday, early in the morning around 1 or 2 a.m. when Dow futures trended down, Bitcoin followed and continued to trend lower, dropped all the way down to about 33,000 when the stock market dropped below 1,000 points and then make this reversal in price. So right now, Bitcoin is actually behaving a lot better than yesterday. Another thing is looking at how the price behaved over the past 48 hours. Bitcoin, when it's trending up and then pull back, consolidate, it was forming a bull flag. This is the pole, this is the flag, and a few hours ago, Bitcoin was trying to break out of this flag. And technically, break out from this flag should take Bitcoin to about 40,000, and that has always been my target for this week. So if the stock market rebound later on today, once it's open, then there's a very high probability that we are going to see Bitcoin trend up. The first major resistance would be right at 37,500. That would be the high when it ran up yesterday. Cross over that at 39.5 is going to be another major resistance. However, if the stock market closed lower today, then there is definitely going to be a lot of selling pressure. We would likely see Bitcoin retrace and invalidate this really nice bull flag. The first major resistance would be at around the 35,000. Breakdown, then we are looking at this thing retest this prior low at 33,000. Go back to the daily chart. Right now, Bitcoin, the chart technically is still looking very ugly, but I still have hope that we would likely see Bitcoin trading at around 40,000 within the next couple of days. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we would hear from the Federal Reserve regarding to their monetary policy. A positive reaction from the market, then we could potentially see Bitcoin trading over 40,000. So let's hope that is the case, because even though right now things is looking very bad, I am still not certain that Bitcoin would likely break down and then test the 24,000 level as part of this breakdown of the head and shoulder pattern. That's it. Give me a like if you appreciate this content, and if you like this sort of boring videos, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notification.
For the love of this town.